Students, welcome to the YouTube channel. I think this is a ninth part of general studies. Okay, see, today topic is so what is the defense training institution in India? See, here we have number of different training institutions. The first one is the National Defense Academy, NDA. We call it as simply NDA, National Defense Academy, NDA. So where is that? It is in Khadakwala, so near Pune. It is in Khadakwala near Pune. Next, National Defense College, National NDC, we call it as NDC, that is in nearly New Delhi. So where is that? It is in New Delhi. Next, Rashtriya Indian Military College, RIMC, we call it as RIMC simply. So Rashtriya Indian Military College, where is that? It is in Dehradun. So it is in Dehradun. Okay, next, Armed Forces Medical College, we called as AFMC. Where is that? That is in Pune. So Armed Forces Medical College is situated in Pune. Next, Air Force School. So Air Force School is in Sambra. Where is that? In Belgaum. So Belgaum district, Sambra Air Force School is situated in Sambra. Next, College of Air Welfare. Where is that? It is in Secunderabad. So College of Air Welfare is Secunderabad. Next, Air Force Academy. So where is that? It is in Hyderabad. So Air Force Academy is Hyderabad. Next, INS Chilka. So it is also in Chilka. So the place is Chilka. INS Chilka is Chilka. Next, INS Mandovi. So it is also Defense Academy. INS Mandovi. Where is that? It is in Goa. These are the defense training institutions of India. So the institutions, the places. Okay, institutions, National Defense Academy, NDA, Khadakwala near Pune. Next, National Defense College, NDC, New Delhi. Rashtriya Indian Military College, RIMC, Dehradun. Armed Forces Medical College, AFMC, Pune. Air Force School, Sambra. College of Air Welfare is Secunderabad. Air Force Academy, Hyderabad. INS Chilka. So INS Mandovi, Goa. These are the defense training institutions of India. Okay, so you have to, if you not understand, repeat this another time, then only you directly, it is very important. These are which places of so defense institutions. Next one is research centers. So Indian research centers. See, the first one, research centers of India is, first one is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. So Indian Agriculture Research Institute, it is totally research at agriculture department, total agriculture. So they are researching in the agriculture products, everything. So where is that? That is in New Delhi. Indian Agriculture Research Institute is New Delhi. Next, Central Rice Research Institute. So here they are researching about the rice products. So where is that? Cuttack. Rice Research Institute is situated in Cuttack. The place is Cuttack. Next, Central Potato Research Institute, Simla. So Central Potato Research Institute is, where is that? It is in Simla. Next, Indian Central Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. So Central Forest Research Institute is situated in, the place is Dehradun. Next, IINRG, Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums. Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums. So where is that? Ranchi. So where is that? Ranchi. Ranchi is the place of that institute. Which institute? Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums. Next, National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal. National Dairy Institute, Karnal. Next, Central Mining Research Institute is Dhanbad. So Central Mining Research Institute is Dhanbad. Next, Central Jute Technological Research Institute is Kolkata. Where is that? The place is Central Jute Technological Research Institute. Where is that? In Kolkata only. Next, National Geophysics Research Institute, Hyderabad. National Geophysics Research Institute is where is that? Hyderabad. Okay, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research the place is Mumbai. High Altitude Research Laboratory. High Altitude Research Laboratory is where is that? The place is Leh. Central for Cellular and Molecular Biology is where is that? In Hyderabad. So these are the research centers of India. So these are the research centers of India. The first one, Agriculture Research Institute is New Delhi. Central Rice Research Institute is Cuttack. Central Potato Research Institute is Simla. Central Forest Research Institute is Dehradun. So Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums are Ranchi. National Dairy Research Institute is in the Karnal. Central Mining Research Institute where is Dhanbad. Central Jute Technological Research Institute Kolkata. National Geophysics Research Institute is Hyderabad. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is in Mumbai. High Altitude Research Institute Laboratory is Leh. Central for Cellular and Molecular Biology is in Hyderabad. So these are the research institute of our India. Next one. So last one next one is Nuclear and Space Research Centers in India. So in this totally nuclear and space research institutes are provided below. The first one is centers and places. See, the first one is India Rare Earth Limited. India Rare Earth Limited. The research center totally depend upon the space. So India Rare Earth Limited is where is that? The place is Mumbai. Uranium Corporation of India, Singhbhum. So Uranium Corporation of India is research center where is that? Singhbhum. Next, Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, we call it simply BARC. Where is that? Tombe, Mumbai. Baba Atomic Research Center. So that is BARC, Trombe, we call it as in Mumbai. Where is that? Is Mumbai. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is the place is Kolkata. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. So where is that? It is in Thiruvananthapuram. So Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, ISRO we call it as simply ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization is where is that? Bangalore. But landing station in where is in Sriharikota. Okay. So Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is Bangalore. Space Application Center Ahmedabad. So these are the nuclear and space research centers of India. Indian Rare Earth Limited Mumbai. Uranium Corporation of India Singhbhum. Baba Atomic Research Center BARC, Trombe. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics Kolkata. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Bangalore. Space Application Center Ahmedabad. So these are the today topics. See here, Defence Training Institute, National Defence Academy NDA, Khadakwasla, National Defence College in New Delhi, Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun, Armed Forces Medical College Pune, Air Force School Sambra, College of Air Welfare Secunderabad, Air Force Academy Hyderabad, INS Chilka, INS Mandhovi Goa. Next, Research Center of India is Indian Agriculture Center New Delhi, Central Rice Research Institute Cuttack, Central Potato Research Institute is Simla, Central Forest Research Institute in Dehradun. So Indian Institute of National Resins and Gums Ranchi, National Dairy Research Institute Karnal, Central Mining Research Institute Dhanbad, Central Jute Technological Research Institute Kolkata, National Geophysics Research Institute is Hyderabad. So Tata Institute of Fundamental Research Mumbai, High Altitude Research Laboratory Leh, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is Hyderabad. So Indian Rare Earth Limited Mumbai, Uranium Corporation of India Singhbhum, Baba Atomic Research Center Trombe, Mumbai, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics Kolkata, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is Thiruvananthapuram, Indian Space Research Organization is Bangalore, Space Application Center is Ahmedabad. So this is a today GK section. I think my videos are more suitable to you. If you are not subscribed my channel, definitely you have to subscribe. Then only my videos will come to the upper section of YouTube. Okay, videos are most helpful to all the students. So I think your subscription is more important. If you are not subscribed, definitely you want to subscribe my channel. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we'll discuss another GK section. Bye.